Right now, the online filmmaking community is facing an epidemic.
And no, it's not the absurd amount of ads for Artlist or Motion Array.
It's an epidemic so large, we might not even be able to put the genie back in the bottle.
From bloggers and content creators to experienced cinematographers, all the way to Peter McKinnon and Mr. Beast.
And it all started with one guy, I think. Everything's got to start somewhere. Probably the nicest YouTuber in the world, Ryan Trahan. The epidemic is doing this. Holding microphones out like this. Like, what the
Ducks on a lake.
These mics are literally made to be stuck onto a body or clipped onto a shirt. Ryan, if you ever watch this video, you're one of my favorite YouTubers, and I don't hold it against you. I completely understand. It's a part of your shtick. You know, shot an iPhone, bit quirky, do shit different. But to all my fellow camera YouTubers, what the is going on? It's stupid. These mics are made to be discreet. And moreover, they're made to be hands-free. So you can do lots of cool shit like this, like this,
microphone, I got my microphone on.
Or even like this.
Hey, yo, I'm teed up, throwing funny bones in this bitch, stacking cheese up.
You can't do this while you're holding a lapel mic. And you know why they call it a lapel mic? Because it clips onto your lapel. Who would have thought it? Lapel mics. Brought to you by lapels everywhere. You know what else is cool about wireless lapel mics? You can be here having a chat, or you can be here doing cool stuff. Hello, puppy.
So you could be here.
Or even here. Or here, because you don't need to do this to interview someone, because you can all have a mic correctly installed to get clean audio. You wouldn't shoot a client piece and make them hold the mic. So why would you do that for you? So wake up,
Be better, and set the standard. I'm bothered.
So be yourself and carve your own path.
And if you're lucky enough to own the gear,
Use it properly.
so to any camera YouTuber guilty of committing this crime, and trust me, there's a few of you, take a look in the mirror. We're not Trahan, be original and use the mics the way they're intended to be used. And to the big YouTubers responsible for the next generation. We know you've got shotgun and podcast mics because you took them away. To do this. Ronaldo doesn't play in sneakers because he's got boots. You want to be good or you want to be great. So if you're going to influence, then influence the next generation the right way. And put the mic away. And go listen to Better Man by Robbie Williams and think about what you've done.
bye.
Oopsies. Oh.